Hi, this is Hili Zavaro, and today I will show you how to record your screen using Screenomatic. So you write Screenomatic in Google, and then Screenomatic screen recorder and video editor, and then start recording for free, and then launch free recorder. Make sure this one says English, and launch. Usually this will open and it says לפתוח את 2.0 screen recorder launcher, and you say yes, open. It opens, and then you get your PowerPoint ready to record your lesson. You can stretch this like this and open the PowerPoint, and then you click on the red record button and you start narrating and explaining. So let's start. Record. 3, 2, 1, and hello. Today I will talk to you about the months of the year. What is it? Right, it's a calendar. It's a calendar. What's on a calendar? Months of the year. How many months are there on a calendar? Try to think. Try to think. That's right, there are 12 months. And then you go on and you do your lesson. When you finish, you click pause and you click done. When you're done, then you can save. So save your video, and then you can save it as a file on your computer. Save as video file. When you're done, click publish. You can also change your name, for example, months, and then publish. It will publish and it will actually save this on your computer, and then you can upload it to Moodle, or you can even upload it to YouTube or to your Google Drive and just send us a link, or send the link to students. And we're done. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Good luck creating your first online lesson.